I mean, a model is a representation of reality somehow, right?
An approximation of reality.
An approximation, but it's a representation. And for it to be anywhere near accurate, I guess we need observations to inform.
Yeah, you need observations for several reasons. First of all, to understand the processes correctly.
Right.
Which are, if they are important, implemented in the models.
Yeah.
But then we also need observations to kind of like evaluate and validate models. Kind of like, do they actually mimic the atmosphere or the environment correctly? And for this we need observations, and we especially need observations in the high Arctic, because that's what crisis is about, right? Studying polar environments.
So this specific expedition was, it was targeting the melting season of the ice, which was important because we don't have so much data from this time, especially data about the kind of processes and interactions that we are looking at, like aerosol and cloud parameters. We didn't really have that data for the high Arctic during that time of year. So
that's one reason.
Yeah.
And then the other thing where we will use it is that we kind of like the models we are working on right now, which we are improving, we can test them with really up-to-date, very new, novel and fresh data. So these observations are really, really unique. Because as Julia said, it's hard to get there at that time of the year, and there are no kind of like permanent observations at this height of the Earth.
Yeah.
So this is kind of like an addition to crisis, I would say. I mean, the expedition itself was not meant to be within crisis, but of course these opportunities are so unique, and that we can send crisis research on these expeditions is a very unique way to also learn and see and experience the Arctic, and again then maybe to get new observations that can help